National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Cherokee County in northeast Alabama until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time, the National Weather Service indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 5 miles east of Marshett, or 9 miles southeast of Center, and moving east at 35 miles per hour. Locations impacted include main rural areas of eastern Cherokee County. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. To report severe weather, call 1-800-856-0758